For today's piping tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make all of these leaves without a piping tip and 2 different ways to cut your piping bag in order to do this. So first off, we are going to cut our tip at an angle here, and this is about 45 degrees. We want to replicate a number 104 tip, so that's just an angled teardrop piping tip. We're going to fill this up with our buttercream and attach some parchment to a flower nail. So now with the longer end in the center and the shorter end on the outer edge, we're going to apply pressure, pull up until it's our desired length, and then pull back down, ensuring that we keep that longer end in the center of our leaf, and that's important to get that nice shape in the middle. You can also use this to create a more textured leaf. So you're just going to want to rock back and forth as you work up towards that tip, and then same thing back down towards the bottom to create a nice textured 3D look. Now, I really love the movement on these leaves. They're one of my favorites to pipe. So now we're going to give this another little snippet here, and we're just going to match that same angle. We just want to make this into a nice point, and this is going to replicate a number 352 leaf piping tip. So again, we'll just attach some parchment here to our flower nail. Now you want to hold it with the pointed end at the center and angled slightly down. You'll apply pressure, pull back, and then sharply pull away to form the standard leaf shape here. You can see that that point leaves a nice center. So we can also make one with a little bit more texture. So for this one, you're just going to apply pressure, pull back a little bit, apply pressure, pull back, slowly tapering off and pulling away at the end to get a little bit more of a 3D and ruffled look on your leaf. So we can also create a longer leaf, so you're just going to have to apply a little bit less pressure, slowly pull back again with that pointed end right in the middle there, and that is going to be very important to get that nice line in the center of your leaf. You can also make shorter, fatter leaves, so to do that, you'll just need to apply more pressure and pull back more slowly, and again, sharply pulling away at the end, and that will give you a wider, broader leaf shape. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. I'm going to link a couple more piping tutorials here for you as well. And if you have any questions or anything, let me know down below. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much for watching.